Do you have a preference, gold or silver? Aurora Borealis in silver. It is a color coin, which goes great with this theme. It's a 4.9 pure silver coin, and this mintage is only 2,000 pieces. Just a really beautiful perspective standing on this bridge, and you can see the path leading up into the mountains there, and just those colors in the sky, absolutely beautiful. Now, this coin is struck for the country of Tuvalu. It is a 2023 coin with a face value of $1. There is also a 1 ounce gold version. And this mintage, wait for it, it's only 99 pieces. And this time we have Charles III. And this one, interesting, this is actually struck for the country of Niue. And it is, of course, a 1 ounce gold coin. I just love the small detail, even down to the water. They have not forgotten those colors. Both of these coins are available on our website, and that's www.emk.com.